Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have got Realme GT 7 Pro. After 30 days of using the Realme GT 7 Pro, it's clear that Realme has raised the bar for flagship smartphones in the mid-premium segment. While it excels in many areas, there are a few rough edges that need attention. Here is a detailed review based on my real-world experience. Let's get started. So first of all, we are going to talk about the good stuff. Slick and durable design. The all-matte finish and the back panel feels premium and refined compared to its predecessors. The IP69 rating adds extra durability, making it more resistant to dust and water than many competitors, including some iPhones. The design is ergonomic with flat edges and curved corners that makes it comfortable to hold despite its weight around 220 grams. The mass orange variant stands out, though it might not appeal to everyone. But when it comes to the display part, the 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED panel co-developed with Samsung delivers an immersive viewing experience with 6500 nits peak brightness, a 120Hz refresh rate, and a razor-thin bezels. The screen performs beautifully indoors and outdoors, whether streaming videos or gaming. The colors are vibrant and sharp. But the most talking part about the Realme GT 7 Pro is the performance. The Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset paired with 12GB RAM makes the GT 7 Pro a multitasking and gaming powerhouse. Games like BGMI run smoothly at ultra HDR graphics without noticeable slutters. The AI features such as gaming super resolution enhance the experience further. Well, if you're talking about the performance, then the battery is major concern. So here you get a 5800 mAh battery, easily lasts a full day with heavy usage, and the 120-watt fast charging takes it from 20% to 100% in just 29 minutes. This is a significant edge over competitors like OnePlus 12 and Xiaomi 15. Well, Realme has packed up some versatile features also. The phone includes an IR blaster, ultrasonic under-display fingerprint scanner, and live alerts for quick notification. And the underwater camera mode is a creative addition, allowing the phone to capture shots even when you are under the water. Well, now it's time to discuss where it falls short. But the first is the camera. The camera needs a definite refinement because a 50-megapixel primary sensor takes sharp and detailed images, but Realme aggressive AI processing often results in unnatural colors and over-processed photos. The 8-megapixel ultrawide camera feels underwhelming, delivering only average result. Low-light photography shows noise, and skin tone in selfies aren't always accurate. Well, we have appreciated the phone for the performance, but average thermal management is very poor. While the phone handles demanding tasks with ease, it tends to heat up during prolonged gaming session or 4K video recording. Despite its large vapor chamber, the thermal management feels average compared to competitors. Now, when it comes to the software part, the Realme UI 6.0 is polished and based on Android 15. Additionally, the phone comes with 58 pre-installed apps, which feel excessive even though only 5 are third-party apps. Although we have discussed the major cons of the phone, but the worst part is its weight. The bulky design, at 220 grams, the phone feels slightly heavier, and large camera module causes it to wobble on flat surface. While not a deal breaker, it's something to consider if you prefer lighter devices. So my final verdict is that the Realme GT 7 Pro is an ambitious flagship that offers top-tier performance, stunning visuals, and impressive battery life at relatively a competitive price of 60,000. Its design, display, and performance make it a standout in its segment, but it could benefit from better thermal management and camera refinements. Well, who should buy it? This phone is perfect for gamers, heavy users, and those who prioritize a premium display and fast charging. And the guys who should really skip this, if you're a photographer enthusiast or a sensitive to phone weight and hitting issue, you might want to explore alternative like the OnePlus 13 or Xiaomi 15. So that's it guys, this is my talk on GT 7 Pro. Hope you guys like this video. Hit a like button and don't forget to subscribe us for the more exciting videos. See you guys in the next one.